It's barbecue time here on Simple, and today mag-ihaw-ihaw tayo dito sa garden para makaluto tayo with uling. Let's start grilling! This recipe is part of the Simple Cookbook series where we try to make cooking as simple as ABC, and isa sa ating pinakapaborito mga recipes ay ang chicken inasal. Di ba? We go crazy over chicken inasal, lalo na pag may only rice. Kaya gagawin natin yung ating very simple marinade, no? Ang gamit lang natin dito, ang base natin na suka sa ating recipe for ating chicken inasal ay eto, Pinoy Spice Vinegar from Dato Puti. Yan. Kasi ba, yung asim niya, kaya suka talaga yung base ng ating marinade. And of course, we will add 2 tablespoons of Dato Puti soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of Dato Puti patis. Yan. Konting sugar lang, no? 1 tablespoon of sugar. Ito, to help it caramelize and give it a nice balance. Yun ang gusto natin. And of course, annatto oil, no? Yung annatto oil natin. Yan. Yung aking chicken, gagamit tayo dito ng chicken leg quarters. Gagawin ko dito sa aking leg quarter, bubuksan ko siya para mas madali siya maluto. Look at that, ha? Yan. Para ko siyang iba-butterfly, score ko siya. And also, mas madali siyang mag-marinate, of course. So, magiging malapad yung ating chicken. So, ganyan yung pagka-prepare natin ng ating chicken. And we just marinate, put it back into our, bowl. And we let that marinate. How easy is that? And it's best to let it marinate overnight or at least 30 minutes. Yan. Meron ako na marinate earlier. Ito siya, we marinated for at least an hour or overnight. Tutuhugin na natin tong ating chicken inasal, of course. We just try to stretch it out. Yan. So ito, because we score the meat, binutterfly siya natin ng konti, mas maluluto yung loob niya. Iba pa rin pag you take time to marinate, no? Kaya, when you cook, planning is also very important because timing will affect the results of your product. For your excess marinade here, para hindi natin masayang. And let's go to the grill. Yan. Before we grill, I'll just explain something. So, kadamihan sa nag-iihaw, nangyayari is, sunog yung labas, hilaw yung loob. So, how do you achieve the perfect cooking of inihaw? So, kailangan natin mag-prepare ng 2 separate zones. So, yung very hot and moderate heat. So, yung uling natin, mas marami sa isang side. So, unahin ko, I will grill this one side first. Yan. And first, I will grill over direct heat. So, yung gusto natin ma-achieve dito, alam mo yung, di ba, yung sunog-sunog na parts, yung charred portion ng ating barbecue. Dito natin ma-achieve. So, kaya you have this spray gun, spray, para in case na lumiliyab yung ating barbecue, kaya mo makontrol because you don't want that to happen. Look at that, no? So, very important na babantayan natin yung ating inihaw, pangdagdag ng lasa while grilling. You can do that. So, yung gagawin natin sa chicken, ito, maganda na yung kulay niya. Ito, baliktarin natin. Gagawin natin dito ay, of course, ililipat na natin siya sa kabiling side para mag-in-in. Ano ibig sabihin ng in-in? Slow cooking. So, nakikita nyo, na-achieve na natin yung char marks natin. Then, yung gagawin natin dito, we cook it now in indirect heat. No? Ano yung indirect heat? Hindi siya nakadiretso sa apoy. So, kahit hindi siya nakadirect heat, walang uling talaga sa ilalim niya. But the heat, radiates around the whole grill na ito siya, nagsuslow cook siya. No? So, hindi na siya nagbabrown, hindi na siya nasusunog. And luto na yung ating chicken inasal. So, convenient kasi yung cost nyo, hindi lang ingredients, pati oras nyo. And look at that, sobrang ganda and sobrang sarap ng ating chicken inasal. Masarap to with our sausawan, of course. Natakam ba kayo? Ang ating version of chicken inasal, kahit hindi authentic, basta swak sa panglasa natin at happy ang pamilya, pwedeng-pwede na. Kaya try this at home. Tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto, basta simple!
Simple.ph. Living made simple.